Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you're able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started with this session. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So the topic for today here is, let me close this. Just give a second. So the topic is useful tools for software testing. Okay, useful tools for software testing to increase the productivity. Okay, at workplace. This is a topic for today, guys. Okay, this is a topic for today, or maybe few coming days. Maybe in one session, I may not be able to complete the list of tools that as software testers we can use, to increase our productivity at our workplace. Till now, we have got some good knowledge on software testing, though there are a lot of other things that we can explore as part of software testing. But at a high level, at this point of time, everyone now understand what exactly is software testing and what actually happens in software testing, what software testers do at their workplace and all those stuff, all the basic knowledge you got, right? Now, the time has come for us to speed up the work. Okay, speed up the work. How to become more productive. Gone are the days where you are just going to office and just doing some work and coming to home. Okay, gone are the days. Now we are in a kind of days where the all the lot of other things are coming also into the picture, like generative AI tools came and AI tools are coming into the picture. And as part of this topic, right, I'll be covering everything in all directions, which type of tools you can use to increase the productivity at your workplace. Everything I'm going to cover in this session. Fine. So with that note, let's get started, guys. So here I have collected few list of tools, guys, which I'm going to demonstrate one by one for you. The first one is Lightshot. Okay. What is the first one, guys? First one is Lightshot. Some screenshot taking tools. Okay. So why we need to take screenshots? Can anyone type in the chat box why we need to take screenshots? As a software tester, why we need to take screenshots? As software tester, why we need to take screenshots? What is the reason? Yes. As a proof, right? As a proof. When you report defects, as a proof for defects, we generally take screenshots. Okay. What is the answer? As a proof for defects. Whenever you find some problem or defect in the application, and if you want to report the defect to the developer, if you don't attach these screenshots to that reported defect, the developer may come and say that, this particular issue is not, or defect is not reproducing for me. So can you, okay, kind of, okay, can you provide more details or something? What if you provide a screenshot as a proof, and by looking at the screenshot, developer may understand where exactly the defect is coming. Other thing is that it also acts as a proof. The main thing is that the screenshot will act like a proof, right? You guys are right, okay? As a proof, whatever you have typed in the chat box is 100% proof for the defects, okay? We can use the screenshots as a proof for the defects. There are a lot of tools we can use in our surroundings. Most of them are free, guys. Most of these tools for taking the screenshots are kind of free. One of such kind of tool is Lightshot. Lightshot, okay? Lightshot is one screenshot taking tool, okay? So let's see whether nowadays it is working or not, because it's been a while I have used this Lightshot. I'll go here and search for Lightshot here, okay? Lightshot. When I search for the Lightshot in the Google, in the search results, I got this Lightshot screenshot tool for Mac and Windows. Not only in Windows machine, you can also use this Lightshot in Mac. What is the kind of thing? What is the kind of, there are a lot of screenshot taking tools, right? What is all about the Lightshot? Why people may use Lightshot when compared to other screenshot taking tools? What may be the reason? As the name speaks, Lightshot, it's lighter. It's very light, guys. Okay, it doesn't take much time to install. Okay, it's very lighter one. Okay, you'll get a lighter feeling of using this software. You don't have to. It's not a heavy software, guys. It's a very lightweight software which can install in some seconds. And also the usage, loading and all those stuff also is very simple, straightforward. Okay. So that is what is the Lightshot, guys. Okay. Fine. So let me click on this Lightshot. When I click on the Lightshot, I'm getting these options like, download for Windows, download for Mac and all those stuff. Okay. These two options are coming. Since I am using Windows machine, I'll go with the Windows. If you are having Mac machine, you can go with this. Okay. You see, fast screenshot of selected area. Okay, the fastest way to take a customized screenshot, easy to use application. Share screenshot. You can share the taken screenshot via the internet. Powerful editors. You can edit the screenshot. Uh, Similar image search. Okay. Various platforms. Okay, like Windows, Chrome, and Windows Chrome and all those stuff. Okay, different things. So a lot of things are there, but it is a very light one, guys. As the name speaks, it's a light shot. It is a lighter one. Okay. Just click on this download for Windows for now. The download has started, guys. Okay, the download of this particular thing has started. Okay, let's go here, and here we got this. Double click on this, and the installation will start. Okay, I got a user access control dialog. I'm just selecting yes. Now you see, it's asking me to select a language. Say okay. English is okay. I accept the agreement. Click on next. That's it. It will be done. Okay, with the basic steps, it will be done, and it is taking you to this place. Let's start using the Lightshot right now. You see how to use the Lightshot? They are giving some instructions. Press print screen key on your keyboard. Okay, whenever you print screen on your keyboard, right? Okay, the Lightshot will become enable. Okay, then you can click and drag the cursor to select an area to the right and upload an image and share it with your friends if you want. Okay, so this is the process of using the Lightshot. Let's close all this stuff. Anyhow, we have installed the Lightshot. Just click on finish. Setup has finished installing Lightshot on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the install shortcuts. Click finish to exit setup. Finish. That's it. Now I want to take a screenshot. Let's say I want to report a defect to the developers. As part of the reporting defect to the developers, let's say this is application I want to report the defect at. I'll go to the account and select register option. Once I select the register option, okay, once I select the register option here, the telephone number is intaking some, okay, invalid, you see, alphabet kind of things. Click on continue. You see, warning message is not coming, right? Warning message is not coming. Or just refresh here and say, just refresh here and 1 minute, just continue. That's okay. Or let's go here again. Just click on register here and let me enter some invalid telephone number. Invalid telephone number is accepted by the telephone number. Account is getting created. So that's what is the defect I want to report. Okay. So what I can do here is how to use this. Lightshot. Lightshot has been installed, right? So let's see whether the Lightshot got installed or not. If you type Lightshot, you see it's coming in the search results. That means it got installed. You don't have to launch the Lightshot from this search or something, guys. Okay. What you have to do here is just press print screen key on your keyboard. Okay. There's a keyboard key known as print screen, PRTSC or whatever the shortcut it may be on your keyboard keys. There will be one shortcut with print screen. I'll select that. The moment I select that, you see, it's asking me, okay, it's giving me some area to select, okay. I need to drag the area, guys, that I want to select, okay. Let's say I want to drag like this. You see, whatever the area you are dragging, that will be captured in the screenshot, okay. And release. Once you left click and hold and drag and do that, right, the screenshot will be taken generally. Okay, the screenshot will be taken. Okay, so where is that screenshot? Okay, sorry, this also one. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Where exactly it is there? Multiple. This is a screenshot taking tool. Select area. I'll just okay. Now these options. I just clicked or something. I did something. Let's do one thing. Let me do something, guys. Okay, let me print. Let me press print screen again. Okay, this is not the Lightshot, guys. This is not the functionality of the Lightshot. Whatever I'm selecting here is not the Lightshot. So some other thing is coming in place of the Lightshot. Okay, you see before you install, you see press the print screen on your keyboard to take a screenshot. It's clearly saying when you hover the a mouse on the thing. Okay, maybe it's a snipping tool is coming into picture. I'll explain more about the snipping tool, but let me launch snipping tool and change the settings a bit. Okay, settings, I'll go to settings and maybe the same shortcut is there. Okay, print screen shortcut is there. Use the print screen key to open snipping tool. So for this Lightshot also, print screen key only is there. For this snipping tool, which comes by default in Windows also, change in Windows settings. Yeah. So what was the key here? Let me change the key, otherwise it will override the, kind of stuff. Okay. Use a print screen to open the screen capture. Okay. So if I disable that, then, the light shot will get enabled. Okay. So fine. Anyhow, now I'll be using the light shot. Now I'm pressing print screen. Is it not coming? Pressing the print screen and only when clicking it's coming, but when I say print screen, it is not coming, guys. Now what is the problem? I don't know, but yeah, light shot. Let me open Lightshot once. What is happening when I open Lightshot? Nothing is happening. It's kind of very light, guys. It not even opens. Okay, it not even opens. Maybe any settings are there anywhere. Actually, it should happen very smoothly, but unfortunately, let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Let me uninstall the Lightshot from my machine first and install it again. Earlier snipping tool was there, so it's better, Let me uninstall this snipping Lightshot tool and install it again. This kind of problems may come. That's okay. Since there are multiple tools interacting with each other, there's a possibility that these things may not happen. That's okay. Select yes and uninstall this Lightshot and say okay. And now already have downloaded the Lightshot here, right? Already have downloaded the Lightshot. Double click and install this again. Okay, I'll just double click and install it again so that earlier maybe its print screen settings were overridden, so it's not working. Okay, just click on next. Yes, okay. Print screen I have to press. Click on finish. Okay. So let's go to this location and select print screen this time. Still not working. Okay, what may be the reasons? Yes, I'm doing print screen, but it's not working, guys. Okay, any other reasons why it's not working or so? Let me check some solutions online. Okay, I have installed Lightshot tool for taking screenshots in my Windows machine. I am pressing okay print screen keyboard key. Okay, but it is not working. What may be the reasons? What may be the reasons? Okay, let's see. Yes, it is active. You see the bottom tray, Lightshot is active. If it is not running, launch it manually. Okay, press window or Lightshot or this is a one, right, dimension Lightshot and select it. Okay, so it's launched already. Okay, another app is using the print screen. Okay, print screen key. Some apps that may be okay. Hmm. Okay, so right click and am I getting any options or settings here? Options. Okay, so hotkeys. You see shift to print screen is there, guys. Okay. Normal print screen is also there. Shift print screen is also there. Okay. But why this is not working? Okay. So I'll just add something like, otherwise I'll give a different thing. Control print screen. Okay. Let's see. Say okay. And let's see what will happen this time. Control print screen. Some area is coming. Is this light shot area? Okay, FastStone is also there, guys. Okay, maybe another screenshot tool is there in my machine. Maybe is it interacting or no? I don't know. Let's do one thing. Yes, it may be interacting. That may be the reason. Let's go to settings here. Capture hotkeys. Am I using any print screen? Yes, print screen is there. Okay, let's say what I have to do here. This is the reason. Okay, none. Say okay here. So this is also gone now. Now that may be the reason, guys. That may be the reason. So let me put print screen this time. Okay, these are the settings you have to work on. Just say okay. Now press print screen. Now it is coming. Yes, it is working now. Okay, so another tool like here, another screenshot tool is there in my machine, which is actually yes. This was a reason. Okay, this was a reason. Okay, got the solution, guys. Okay, this kind of problems may come in real time, so we should be able to resolve them. So some other app is actually restricting that. I configured that print screen with other things, other screenshot tools. Meanwhile, so if you directly install Lightshot and if you don't have any other screenshot tools you have been using in your computer machine, definitely in the first go itself, when you press print screen, it's going to work. It's going to work like this. Okay. Now you'll get these options. You see, share option is there. Search similar images on the Google directly, like Google Lens or something. You can take a print out. You can copy this. You can copy this from here itself, and you can save this in your machine. Or before saving, you can also edit this with different things. For example, I want to take this box and draw it here. Okay. The next one is that I want to take this pencil kind of icon. Maybe this one, I think so. Okay. Let me draw all this stuff. Okay. You can change the color if you want. Say okay. And it's coming very simple. Okay. Like this, you can draw whatever the drawing you want to do. You can do that. You want to type some text. You can place it here, and you can say that telephone field on this page is accepting alphabets. Okay, alphabets. Account is getting created. Account is getting created with this invalid phone number. Okay, instead of giving a proper validation or warning message. Okay, this is what is the issue. Now I can put a box here. That's okay. This is how you can draw the things, guys. Okay, whatever the way you want to draw. Okay, this is how when as a software tester, when we report the defects, right? I already have covered this thing, in one of the sessions, like how to take the screenshots and all, right? One of the sessions I have already covered where, you can do all these drawings. You see, Lightshot is very lightweight one and a lot of people use it. Okay, now you can save this, guys. Okay, if you want to save this, you can save this on your, wherever you want, you can save this, guys. Okay, let's say I would like to save in, okay, so let's create a new folder, screenshots, screenshots. In that screenshot folder, I'll save this. Okay. What I will say, telephone field accepting, telephone field accepting invalid phone number. Okay. Now save this. Give a proper name. Okay. The good thing that we have to do every time we use this kind of take the screenshots is we have to give proper names to the screenshots. Okay. Don't take it light. That's one of the good practice that software testers have to follow. Don't just use the default names for the screenshots and attach them in your reports and all. That will cause a lot of problems. The main problem that will be caused is a lot of screenshots will keep taking, and sometimes you'll get confused. If you don't save it with proper name, for a particular bug report, you may attach a screenshot of another defect. Okay. So relevant screenshot, you may get confused and attach a wrong screenshot. Okay. So that's the reason when you give the names, give proper names for the screenshot so that when you attach the screenshot to the bug report, you know that you are attaching the proper screenshot to the correct screenshot to the bug report. Okay. That you are reporting, or defect you are reporting. Fine. So this is how we can take the screenshot, guys. Let's go and verify where I have taken the screenshots, right? Screenshots folder will be there. Just go to screenshots folder and let's launch this. Let's launch this, guys. You can clearly see You see, the screenshot has been properly taken, right? So this is one of the tool. Everyone clear with this light shot? Everyone? Everyone clear with the light shot? Okay, by default, print screen should work. If it doesn't work, that means some other apps are using that screenshot. We have to explore it and, figure out that. So this is one of the useful tools that you can use, and it's kind of free, guys. Okay, it's kind of free. Yes, Lightshot have demonstrated. Apart from the Lightshot, what are the other screenshot taking tools? Let's see. The next one is a snipping tool, guys. Next kind of screenshot taking tool are, okay, screenshot taking tools. I'll just write a screenshot taking tools. A lot of tools are there in the market for taking the screenshots, guys, whereas these are few ones, okay? Lightshot is one. And the other famous one that most of the people use here in the market is snipping tool, guys. Snipping tool is another one. Okay, snipping tool is another screenshot taking tool. Yeah, I'll explain that, Sarita. A lot of other screenshot taking tools are there. I'll show you how to take the full page screenshots. With the light shot, you cannot take the full page screenshot. Okay, with this light shot, you cannot take the full page screenshot. Okay, so I'll demonstrate another tool using which you can take the full page screenshot. Okay, for now, light shot is one thing and snipping tool is another one. Okay, let me demonstrate the snipping tool. What is snipping tool? You see, for light shot is a thing you have to install, right? You have to install. It doesn't come by default with Windows machine. But snipping tool comes by default. You do have to install snipping tool. Do you have to separately install snipping tool in your Windows machine? No. When you get this Windows operating system, along with this operating system, you will get this tool known as snipping tool. Okay. Along with this operating system, you will get a tool known as snipping tool. Okay. Suppose in your company, some third-party tools are not allowed. Okay. In your company, some third-party tools like a Lightshot and all the advanced tools are not allowed. Then what you will do? How do you take the screenshots? If you are using Windows machine and the default tool we have here is a snipping tool, which comes by default with the Windows operating system. For this, you don't have to take anyone's permission because in your Windows machine, by default, you will get snipping tool. You don't have to install it. It comes by default. Okay. Before using the snipping tool, let me go to the control panel and, let me go to the control panel and uninstall it. Uninstall the previous one, that is Lightshot one. Let me uninstall the Lightshot. Okay. That I have just now demonstrated. If you like Lightshot, you can definitely use it, guys. Compare different screenshot taking tools and take the best one. Okay, fine. Screenshot taking tool, Lightshot is the one, and next one is snipping tool. And before I actually use a snipping tool, let me change some settings, guys. Okay, let me open snipping tool, and here let me go to settings, and I changed some settings here, right? Let me change it back. So do one thing, go to just search for snipping tool here. Okay, you don't have to install the snipping tool. Snipping tool by default comes with the Windows machine. Select the snipping tool. Once you select the snipping tool, click on these three dots and go to settings. Go to settings and a lot of options are there here. You see, use the print screen to open snipping tool. Okay, for that, the shortcut if you want to create, you can by default, there is a Windows settings are there. Go to the Windows settings from there, and here you see it is off. If you on this, print screen keyboard key will be used for capturing the screenshots using the snipping tool. Okay. So fine, I want to take the screenshot of the same issue, same defect I want to take. Okay, so you can compare the same defect, how I have used Lightshot for reporting the same defect, how I am able to use snipping tool for taking the same defect you can understand. Okay, so what I will do here is I'll press the print screen, guys. The moment I press the print screen key, you see this kind of interface is coming like a camera option. Video recording is also there, guys, but let's try that out later. Rectangle. Okay, a lot of things are there here. So I'll select this area. Okay, I'll select this area. Click and hold the left mouse key and drag it till wherever you want. Okay, like this you can drag and drag. You see, the moment I have released it, where is the screenshot? Where is the screenshot, guys? Whatever the screenshot I've taken is where? It's gone, right? It's gone, right? The moment I have released it, the screenshot is gone. So where it will be gone? Just go to the documents. Okay, so where exactly it will be saved? It will be saved in one location, guys. Okay, don't remember that. Pictures, screenshots. You see, the screenshot is taken here, guys. A lot of screenshots are there. I'll delete the screenshots first of all. You see, there's a pictures. Go to the pictures. There is screenshots folder. In that, it will be taken automatically. Okay. Again, let me. Okay. Again, let's do one thing. Let me press print screen. This option will come. This option will come, and then I'll capture the area for which I want to take the screenshot and release. The moment I release, what will happen? Let's open this folder and go to the pictures and go to the screenshot. You see, screenshot is taken here. Can you see the screenshot, guys? The screenshot is taken here. Right? This is what is the thing that will happen. This is what is the thing that will happen. So how to overcome these problems, when releasing, it's actually going away, right? Let me delete this. Let me delete the screenshot again. Let's go to snipping tool. Just type snipping tool and here right click on this and okay. Otherwise, I'll select the snipping tool option. The options will come on the, like this. Okay, the options will come like this. Click on this. Settings, go to settings. Let me drag this here so that you can see all the settings properly. Automatically save original screenshots. Screenshots are saved to this location. See users, OneDrive, pictures, screenshots folder. Okay. Automatically save original screenshots. If you say off, what will happen? Let's try this out. Okay. You see, automatically copy is also there. Okay. Automatically save is there. Automatical copy is there. Okay. If it is on, if automatical copy is there, what we can do is, I'll let you know. Okay. Even the screenshot is actually captured and saved here automatically. Okay. So let me try that screenshot again. Print screen. Try this print screen. Again, the option will come. Select the area and release. When you release it, a screenshot has been captured already. The screenshot has been actually captured. So you can do one thing, guys. You can do one thing. Just go to the Paint software or something. Okay, just go to the Paint software. Just say Control V. You see, whatever the screenshot I have taken has been pasted. Okay, this is what is the option. Okay, when I say print screen here, when I say print screen here, and I'm getting okay, not this one. When I click on this snipping tool, otherwise, when I click on the snipping tool, some options are coming, right? Three dots when you click and say settings, right? Here, a lot of things are there. Automatically copy changes. Because of this setting, this screenshot captured is copied onto your clipboard. And when you open the Paint software and paste it here, it got pasted. If you don't want it to automatically saved, just disable this, okay? So it will not be automatically saved. What will happen? Ask to save edited screenshots. Ask to save edited screenshots, okay? On. No need to add border. Let's see what are the different settings we have here. Automatically automatically save original screen recording. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so if you want to disable this, you can disable. For now, we are working about the screenshot, so you don't have to worry that. Print screen only. That's it. Some changes I have done, guys. Okay, so here I turned down the automatically save one. Okay, let's see what will happen this time. Let's try this out. Okay, with a different setting. Print screen. And I press print screen and I need to click and hold the left keyboard key and release it. Okay, it's not asking me to save, right? Not asking me to save. Print screen. Okay. Camera option. Let's see, okay, it's not even saving also. It's not even saving also. So the setting is working in a different manner. Okay. So how to overcome these problems? Let's try this out. Right click. Sorry, select this. Just click on this. Settings. Automatically save screenshots. That's okay. So how to overcome this problem? There was one situation I have used it, guys. Okay, edit with okay, fine. Let me do one thing. Let's not worry about that. Let's not worry about that. So what we can do here is yeah, let's take the screenshot as it is. Print screenshot. Escape it. Escape means it will go off. Okay. Let's go here and no screenshots are taken at this moment. And again, print screenshot. Just capture the area that you want to take the screenshot of and Release. The moment you release, it's gone, right? Now go here, open with paint. Okay, you can select open with paint or this option. Right click on this and right click and say open with photos, paint, whatever it may be. Let's say paint. When you open with paint, the paint software it will open. Like this, it will open. You see. Now you can do the editions. Now you can edit them, guys. Okay, how to edit them? Take this in the paint software. You have a lot of editing tools, right? That you can use them. Like this, you can do. Just write like this and write the text. So what is the text that you want to type? Telephone field is accepting invalid phone numbers instead of giving proper warning messages. Okay, warning message. If you want to change the color, you can change the color like this. Okay, telephone field is invalid phone number instead of giving proper. Like this, you can take the screenshot and save this file. Save as whatever the format you want to select. You can select, and there is a screenshot folder. Intentionally, I created this. Same thing, right? I'll say 2 here. Okay, with paint, right? With what was that? Snipping tool. With snipping tool. You see which one is easier, guys? Which one is easier now compared to the snipping tool? Which one is snipping tool is better, or in between snipping tool and Lightshot, which one you feel is more convenient? Right, Lightshot is convenient. What is the advantage of the snipping tool then? When compared to the Lightshot, what is the advantage of the snipping tool? You see, Lightshot has an advantage over the snipping tool where you are getting the editing options and before saving and all those things. Okay, but snipping tool is kind of difficult and a lot of customizations we have to do. But the only advantage snipping tool has is it's pre-installed. Okay, it comes by default with Windows machine. Okay, in your company, for some external softwares for taking the screenshots are not allowed, what you can do is in that situation, you have to depend on this kind of tools like snipping tool. That is only the advantage. It's a pre-installed. It comes by default with Windows operating system. Okay, it comes by default with Windows operating system is a advantage of the snipping tool. But coming to the Lightshot is a lightweight and is better than the snipping tool. But the problem here is it all depends on whether your company will accept that or not for you to install. You see, companies won't generally allow you to install outside softwares, right? For that, you need to take a lot of permissions and all. Okay, fine. That is the only thing is everyone clear, right? With these tools for now. Everyone clear with this Lightshot and snipping tools? Both are free or paid. Is Lightshot and what are this? Are these tools free or paid? Are these tools free or paid? Both are free. Okay. One comes by default with Windows operating system. One doesn't come. We have to install it. And for that, you have to take the permissions of your company wherever you are working. Okay. Without permissions, you cannot use the Lightshot. But Lightshot is better than the snipping tool that you got it at a high level. Okay. Then we have many other tools, guys. The next one is a FastStone. Okay. Or let's do one thing. There is one more tool. Otherwise, go full page. I don't know whether this tool is available or not, but let me give it a try. You see, a lot of things keep changing over a period of time. Okay, this I was using earlier, but I don't know whether it is still available or not. But let's try it out. Okay, go full page is another tool. What is this go full page tool? So before that, I'll do one thing. I'll just uh, do one thing, that is I'll just go and open the snipping tool and change the settings here. Change the settings here. Otherwise, when I click on the print screen, this snipping tool will come. Okay. Where was that keyboard key? Open Windows settings and go and turn it off. Okay. Whenever it is not required, you turn it off. Okay. Fine then. The next one is go full page. Let's search for that. Go full page. Go full page is the next one. Go full page is the next one. Let's search like this. Click on this go full page. Okay. Just search for the go full page and gofullpage.com is coming. Click on this go full page and get started. It's free, it's coming. Okay, just click on this get started. It will take you to the Google Chrome Web Store. Go full page, screen capture is there, add to Chrome option is coming. Okay, so click on add capture and click on add extension. This is a Chrome extension, right? This particular go full page software is a Chrome extension. Okay, once installed, right? Once installed, demo videos and everything is there. Just close this. Here, go to these extensions and pin this option so that you can access it here directly. Okay, this one I'll remove for now. Okay, this is the one, guys. Okay, go full page is now added. Now I'll take you to one web. I'll just close this browser and restart the browser. Whenever you install some Chrome extensions, right? It's better to restart your browser. Okay. And let me take you to one website, guys. Let me take you to one website, that is omai.blogspot.com website. Now, using the snipping tool or something, if I take a screenshot, guys, using the snipping tool or something, if I want to take a screenshot, till where I can take the screenshot? In the visible area only, I can take the screenshot. Okay. So I'll just, okay. So fine. Print screen. Okay, I disabled it, right? I disabled it, so I cannot take the screenshot anyhow. So generally, when I take a screenshot, I can only take the screenshot of this entire full page or just the visible area. Tell me, guys. Till now, I've taken the screenshots with the help of Lightshot and snipping tool, right? Was I able to take the full page screenshot? Were there any options to take the full page screenshots? Only the visible area, right? Only the visible area we were able to take the screenshot. But what if you want to take the screenshot of the entire full page? Then you have to go with this kind of tools known as go full page. Okay, click on this. You see, it's capturing the screenshot of this entire page and generating. Can you see that, guys? The full page, the page is kind of lengthy in size, height. Okay, but it was able to manage to take this entire screenshot. Okay, now there are some options that are coming. Okay, if you want to edit or something, okay, what you can edit here, I don't know. Shapes. Okay, here some editing options are there. If you want to take the editing options, you can do that. Okay, so let's okay, there's a long label or something. I'll write down arrow mark. Okay, is there a text? Yeah, wrong label text. I'm just assuming that this is a wrong label and then giving it. Okay, just write like this. That's it. Okay, this is how we can edit it. And then how to save this. Any options to save, guys? Sign up to export is coming. Sign up to unlock the editor and download masterpiece. Okay, what is this? I don't know, but it was not the case earlier. It's gone actually. So you can download from here, guys. Editing is not free, I think so. Okay, it's premium. You see, editing is, they made this full page screenshot thing, and then they made the editing kind of premium. It's not completely free tool, guys. Go full page is not completely free, but it can take the screenshot of the entire page. If you want to download, there is a download button. Just click on this and allow, and download has been done. Now, wherever it got downloaded, right click on this and select open with paint option. Now you can edit it there. Okay, in the paint software you can edit there. Okay, by default it doesn't have any editing features, but now the entire page has been, now if you want to edit this, this is a free way of editing. Okay, take the full page screenshot using the go full page, and then you can use this tools. Okay, okay, wrong label or whatever you want to type, you can type here. Okay, fine. Now save this. Now you can save it, not a problem. Click on save. Wow, okay, where it is saving, I don't know. File, save as, otherwise save as PNG picture, and what is the location you want to save? In the screenshots folder. You can give a proper name with go full page dot png. Okay, so hope everyone is clear with the go full page extension. Everyone is clear with go full page extension. Yes. Okay. Without any tool installation, if you want to take the screenshot of the full page, you mean to say? Okay. There is a, okay. So, yeah, fine. Open developer tools, press in the Chrome DevTools, you mean to say? Control Shift P. Okay. Run commands, type full and select it. Okay. Fine. Just give me a second. Let's try that out. Yeah, that's a very good R&D or research. Let's try that out. So Shakaram Dawale is giving us one solution of taking the full page screenshot without using any tool by default. So let's try that out. Let's go to this page which has a lengthiest page and right click here and select view inspect option. Select inspect option and you'll get this Google Chrome DevTools. Mostly by default you will get these options on the bottom of the page. Okay, if you want to get them on the sorry, mostly you will get this Google Chrome DevTools on the right side of the page like this. Okay, in the beginning. You'll get this on the right side. Okay, like this you'll get on the right side. Okay, if you want to dock it to the bottom, select these three dots and select this. This is a proper way. Now in this, now what is the next thing I need to do? Okay, after opening the Google Chrome DevTools using the F12 key or right click and selecting inspect option or whatever it may be. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I need to type a command that is Control Shift P. Okay, Control Shift P. Let's try that out. Once opening this, select one of the thing, Control Shift P. Then here run command option is coming. Very good thing. Yeah. Full. I have to type full. This is the one. Capture full size screenshot. Full size screenshot got captured or not. Let's see. Yeah, it captured, but yeah, most of the things it captured, but there are, maybe these iframes were missing, but other than that, everything is good. Okay, everything is good. Okay, so the small difference is there where this iframes were not loaded by the time it has taken. Okay, maybe loading it will not consider loading of the page that shortcut, but it's still good. Okay, it's still good. Okay, not a problem. It's still good, guys. Okay, when you open this and you see there is an edit option coming, right? This is another way. Okay, when you open this image, guys, here in Windows machine in your paints in your what do you call that image opening software, right? You'll get this edit option. If you click on this edit, it will open in the paint software, I think so, most probably. Let's see where exactly it will open. Okay, edit is coming here. Markup. Okay, so this is another one. I thought that is another one. Okay, so edit image is a different one. Okay, open in file explorer resize image. No, it's not coming anyhow. Is there any paint software icon here? No, you cannot directly open, right? Cannot directly open in paint, so you have to close it and right click and open. That's the only way. Okay, that's okay. Let's leave it. We have found one way, right? That's okay. So, but it's taking a screenshot, guys. Okay, it's able to take the screenshot. This is a screenshot has been taken. Right click here, select open and select paint. Now you can edit. In the paint software, you can edit. In the paint software, you can edit this. Okay, as if you have edited the other things, you can edit this. Okay, simple. Like this, you can write all the drawings you can do and provide some text. Sorry, you can provide the text here. Okay, wrong label, etc. And you can save this. File save. File save as PNG or whatever it is you want to save. And here write down with DevTools, right? With the DevTools and shortcut. DevTools shortcut. Control Shift plus P. That's a very good one. Yeah, that's another way. Without using anything, we can also do. Okay. So Chrome DevTools. Chrome DevTools. What was the shortcut? Control plus Shift plus P, the shortcut. Okay, then you can take the screenshot. Good. Okay, this is also good. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Then one thing about the Lightshot tool or snipping tool, sorry. One thing about the snipping tool, if I open the snipping tool here, guys, if I open the snipping tool, it not only has a facility of taking the screenshot, but you can also record the video. Okay, you can record a video, screen video. You can record. Okay, so mostly you'll use snipping tool when third-party tools are not allowed in your machine, guys. You need some screen recorder. Let's say in your at your you see even is only screenshot will act as a proof, or even video recording of the screen also will act like a proof? Tell me, guys. In real time, do we have to use only the screenshot as a proof, or even the video recording as a proof? Sometimes screenshots may not be enough. Okay, in the defect report that we are attaching, screenshot may not be enough. We have to also capture the screenshots and attach the we have to capture the recording of the screen and of that particular issue and then attach it in the issue report, right? Video also is required. So if you want to record a video, you see, press window logo key, shift R to start a recording. Okay, window logo key, shift R. Let's see, let's try this out. Window logo key, shift plus R. Okay, so your snipping tool is not for only take screenshots, also that capture screen recording. Okay, take screenshots and capture screen recordings. Click on save. Now go here. I want to capture the recording. Okay, I just want to give more details about the issue, and also I'll just go here. What was the shortcut key, guys? What was the shortcut key? Windows Shift R, right? Windows key. I'm pressing the Windows logo key on my keyboard, and then at the same time I'm pressing Shift and then R. When I do that, you see this option is automatically coming. Okay, then I need to select the area which I want to record. Let's say I want to select this area which I want to record, and there is start button coming. I'll click on the start button. Once I click on the start button, after three, you see the recording started here. I'll just go and click on my account and then select register option. I'll give all the details. Okay, I'll give some. Okay, then telephone number, I'm giving some invalid telephone number. Remaining all I'll give correct. Only telephone number, intentionally I'm giving invalid number. Password and confirm password, proper ones I'm giving. Okay, then selecting this and click on continue button. Account should not be created. Rather, I should get a validation message saying that okay, telephone number is invalid. Okay, I can also show here, like I can go to my account and edit your account information and show the telephone number which is invalid is added and saved in my account. Okay, this is a wrong process. This is what is a problem. Now, since I have recorded properly, I'll stop the recording. I'll stop the recording and fine. The recording has stopped, and this is the recording. I can play the recording if I want. You see, whatever the actions I have done have been properly recorded. You don't have to install any third-party software to record your screen, guys. With the help of this tool known as a snipping tool, not only you can take the screenshots, but also you can record the video of your screen and you can attach them. You see, this simplest, but it's kind of powerful still. Okay, fine. So video editing tool, if you want to edit this in video editing tool, you can do that. If you want to add some kind of stuff like edit in Clipchamp. I am not aware of this Clipchamp, but let's click on that and see what exactly is happening. Let's try out what editing we can do in this Clipchamp. Does it require very serious editing, or it's kind of simple one? Let's find it out. Okay. Screen recording is done. If you want to save, you can save this, guys. Click on save. Okay. Once you click on save, it will ask you for the location. Go to the location in your machine screenshots folder. Invalid telephone number is getting accepted. Recorded using snipping tool. Okay, just for my purpose, I have segregating purpose, I have done that. Okay, unlock premium tutorials and special hours. No thanks. So here recording tool is also there, guys. Okay, maybe you can do one thing. Sorry, what is happening? Let me take this here. So what kind of editing we can do? You see, a lot of tools are there in our computer machines, right? We are not aware of. Okay. So here, anything I can mark or something? Text. Click on plus. Print stop. Okay. Here, some text is there. Text is something like invalid. Invalid telephone number is accepted. Select this. Change the color. Change the color. Change the font size. Okay. Okay. Invalid telephone number is accepted. Okay. So fine. Now let's drag it here. This bar, let's drag it to the left side and see where exactly it's coming, till where it is coming. Is it running? Just click on this run. So you can check this. You see, you can do this kind of simplest editings, guys. That's okay. This looks good for me. Okay, this looks good for me. Then I can save this. How to save this? It's come by default. Clipchamp is coming by default in Windows for free. So what is the problem? You can use, right? How to save this? Where is the option to save? Export, maybe. Export. I want export in lower resolution for drafts. Okay. Save to drive, or I want to save some name. That is okay. Some upgrade option is also coming. I don't know why it's coming. Let's try that out. Okay, if it's free, it's very good. Okay, but let's try this out. So this is like invalid telephone number edited using not coming Clipchamp. Okay, Clipchamp. Now save to your computer. Where do you want to save? On my desktops, I'll go to the screenshots. Okay, go here and made with Clipchamp, and it's automatically coming. Save this. That's it. Close this part. Go to the screenshots and sorry, on your displays screenshots. Go here and see made with Clipchamp. Open that file to see whether editing is done or not. Okay, you see, you lot of things you can use in your Windows machine only. You don't have to depend on some third-party external tools. All this will be required for the software testers, right? As a software, you see, low resolution. I intentionally selected the low resolution. That's why the screen is like this. But ultimately, if you want more clarity, you can increase the resolution while saving it. Okay. You see here, invalid telephone number is accepted. Okay. Is we are displaying this message. Editing is successful. Okay. So everyone clear? Edit video using Clipchamp. Okay. Fine. Tomorrow, in place of Clipchamp, Windows machine may give you some other editing tools, but for now, Clipchamp is something that is kind of good. So capturing the screen recordings is done, and editing is also done. All these things are done. Okay, so a lot of other tools may be there, guys. A lot of other tools will be there. I can keep explaining about the different tools that are available, using which we can take the screenshots. Then the next one here we have here is a lot of other tools are there. Next one is FastStone. FastStone is another important one. But the problem with the FastStone is it's not a free tool, guys. It is a pay tool. Pay tool. If you're okay with the pay tool, you will get the definitely the pay tool will have its own benefits, right? Okay, so here in my machine, I have this pay tool installed, that is FastStone. Okay, when I click on this, you see FastStone screen capture is coming. Let me go to settings, guys. Earlier I changed one setting right here, full screen. Okay, so here I'll just say print screen and say okay. Say okay. Not a big deal. So I'll show you how to use FastStone capture, which is a paid tool, guys. Okay. So for whatever we have seen are the free tools, right? But it is a partially free to paid. Okay, it's a freemium. Okay, freemium means what? What is mean by freemium, guys? Anyone know what is the meaning of freemium? Not premium, freemium. Some to some extent it is free. For some advanced things we need to pay. It's neither free nor paid. It's freemium. Okay, remaining all are free, right? Lightshot is free, snipping tool is free, but go full page is freemium. It's not completely free. It's not completely paid. Okay, limited functionality of the software is kind of free. If you want more things, you have to pay some license amount. Okay, that's what is a freemium. Chrome DevTools, Control Shift plus P for taking full page screenshots as suggested by Nawale, right? Okay, then FastStone is a paid tool, guys. It's not free tool. Okay, so if you're okay with the paid tool, but it is a very good tool, guys. Okay, maybe other tools also there in the market, but FastStone is kind of one of them. Can be one of them, which is kind of good tool in the market. You can achieve a lot of stuff using the FastStone screen capture. Okay, so for example, I want to log out here, go to the same page, and I want to write this. Okay, I want to take the screenshot of this again. Okay, so what I can do here is, if you have FastStone, just type FastStone. So otherwise, let's go to Google and search for FastStone. FastStone screen capture. Search for this FastStone screen, the best screen capture software. Okay, select that. You see this kind of tool, and you have to download from here, and you have to buy here. Okay, you have to pay some $20 to get the lifetime access. One time, if you pay $20, you will get lifetime access, guys. That's a only one time you need to pay for this tool, and in your computer machine, you will get the lifetime access for this tool. You see lots of options will be there. Okay, a tool which especially has a lot of features. Okay, the time won't be enough for us to discuss each and every feature of this fast on screen capture. A lot of features will be there in this. Okay, and also it will beautifully editing and everything will be very easy, very beautiful here. Okay, when compared to the other things, right? It's a premium. Okay, it's a premium. Okay, worth the price and all those stuff you can say for now. So what you have to do here is you can download from here and double click and install the exe file and pay the license amount and get a license and provide the license, and you'll get the license, and then you will be free. You can now use the fast on capture. Okay, in that case, assuming that you have done that, just you will, after installing, you'll have the fast on screen capture like this, right? You'll get this kind of thing. Okay, so what I have done it is, after installing it, I have right clicked on this and say pin to taskbar. Okay, pin to unpin pump taskbar means it is not available on my taskbar, but after installing, I'm using this screenshot tool like anything, so I'm just pinning it to my taskbar so that I can easily access next time. Just click on this and it will launch. Okay, now I want to capture the screenshot. Okay, how to capture the screenshot, guys? Select this area. Okay, if you want to capture only the selected area, this option. Select this area like this. You write release. You see inbuilt editing place is there. If you want to draw, just click on this draw, and then you'll get all these options. Okay, it looks very good. Okay, it looks very good when compared to the paint software, and all editing features and everything are very good here, guys. Okay, you see, the box is also very good, right? I don't have to add extra borders. With other softwares, I need to add a border, and the dilation background will be overlapping and all those stuff. But here you see how much focus to details are given. This purely editing is purely given. Editing options are purely given for editing the screenshots. That's the reason this fast on screen capture software is kind of famous. Okay, invalid telephone number is accepted by this field. You say I can feel I can feel the comfort of typing the text and so much area and highlightation, everything is very good. Okay, I'm able to create an account with this invalid invalid phone number. Okay, but instead a proper a proper warning should be displayed, but is not getting displayed. Okay, like the second, you see when I type also, the size of the box is also automatically increasing. This is what is the flexibility, guys, of editing the screenshots and all. Okay, this you'll not get with free softwares and all. This kind of extra features, comfort if you want, in case of editing the screenshots, it will save a lot of time. It feels like it's very simple thing. What is there? I can use a paint software, I can use a snipping tool. But if you use a fast on screen capture, right, the more you use, the more the time it will save you over a period of time. Okay, so you cannot calculate that kind of time that this particular tool is saving for you. To increase your productivity, sometimes you have to go with this kind of pay tools, guys. A lot of other options are there. You can do highlightations and many other things you can experiment. But I'll try to cover this tool at a high level only for now. Okay, save as and go to the screenshots folder, and here I'll save uh, valid phone number with taken with, just for segregation. I'm writing this because I'm taking the same screenshot multiple times, right? With FastStone, okay, tool, FastStone tool. That's also done. Now, apart from this tool has an option of taking the full page screenshot, guys. Okay, so it will take in a realistic way. Let's go to this application page, and I want to take the screenshot of this entire page. What I have to do here is I have to select this option, capture scrolling window, and you need to select the page that need to be scrolled and taken the full page of. Select this and leave it. The scrolling will automatically happen, and you need to press the escape key if you want to stop. You can customizedly take the screenshot if you want to take the 3 by 4 part of the page, or press escape key. Screenshot has been taken. You see how beautifully it has taken the screenshot. What if you don't want to take the entire page? You want to scroll to some extent, and till here only I want to take. I don't want to take till here. Okay. What I can do, that kind of extra customization is possible. Select this area. While it is scrolling, once it reaches the location, I press the escape key. I don't want to, you see, I press the escape key till wherever I wanted, there only it has taken. I didn't go to the complete end of the page. Okay. So like this, guys, and you can draw it and all those stuff. You can save this and full page screenshot, using FastStone. Okay, like this you can see. Fine. Then what else? Active window, you can take the screenshot. You can select the window. A lot of other options are there. Custom regions are there, but mostly used are this one and this one. And you can also capture the. Actually, you can also do the recording also. You can do the screen recording also with this tool. Okay, click on this, select the screen recording option, and here some recording options will come. Window object, rectangular area, full screen, or you see your voice also will be recorded, guys. If you want your voice to be recorded, you can select this extra options like microphones, or what you hear, or what something record audio. So just select microphone, and just click on record and select the area that I want to record. Preparing to record. Start the recording. If I want to pause it, I can select this option. Okay. So here I'll say, okay, I'll just scroll it down, scroll it up, and say type my name here. Okay. And stop the recording. Save the recording. Once you save it, go to the place where you want to save screenshots. Okay. Video recorded using FastStone. FastStone screen capture tool. Save this. That's it. Video got captured, and my voice also will be recorded here in this case because I selected the microphone and all those stuff. I don't know whether you will be able to hear it or not, but once it starts, let me see. It's loading. Let's wait. Yeah. If I want to pause it. Yes. Can you hear the voice, guys? Can you hear my voice when I play this video, or it's like You're not able to hear the voice. You're able to hear the voice? Great. You see, there's some extra premium options are there, guys. That are the main. You see, it's a tool specially designed for taking the screenshots. A lot of efforts were put by the developers of this particular FastStone capture, to do all this stuff. If you want to add a watermark, you see this extra additional options. Everything is there. Okay, everything is there, guys. Okay, so you can have all the settings. You have a tutorial here. You want a screen magnifier, you can use it as a screen magnifier also. You see. While explaining, I can do this as screen magnifier and all those stuff. Press escape key, it is gone. Okay. So while I'm teaching the things for you, if I want to use this as a screen magnifier, I can use it, right? Screen magnifier. And I want to select this image and show you this area. Okay. And then once done, escape. And again, I don't know what is the shortcut for screen magnifier. So because every time I have to go this and select, right? Maybe some shortcut may be there for screen magnifier. And many other options are there. You see, if you want to use a ruler, okay, while testing, sometimes while testing, right, as per the client requirements, you want to check the stuff. Okay, so I don't know how to use this, but I'll try this. Okay, a lot of options are there here. I can I drag this? Yeah, I can drag this anywhere, and I want to find the length of this. Okay, I want to find the length of this. Okay, from here it is starting. So I can find out the length. Okay, what is the length here? 913 pixels. So 913 pixels is the width. Okay. If I want to check the height, can check like this. You see, it is a premium tool. It has a lot of features that go in a single place. It's doing it. They are doing a lot of work here because that's why the product will be sold, right? If they give only screen capture kind of functionalities, how can they sell it? Okay. So 237 pixels. According to the client requirements, if it has to be 237 pixels and something height should be there, it's a thing. Okay. So I'll just close it. So another tool is there, like screen ruler is there. Okay, there's another features. Screen magnifier is there. If you want to get the color of this, okay, screen color picker. Okay, which color picker, original, new, or something it's saying. Pick another color. I'll check this color and see which color, original, new, it's saying. You see this here color parameters are also coming. If you want to copy this RGB characteristics, you can copy this and just paste it here and press enter. RGB. Okay. You see, this is the color. You're getting the color parameters too also. So color picker is also there. If you want to, as per the client requirements, if you want to check the color of the particular item, you can do that with the help of this. Then scanner kind of stuff is there. Okay, acquire images from this, convert images to PDF. If you want to convert the images to PDF, you can do that. And so on. Okay. Many other options are there. Okay. So clear guys, how to use this fast on capture tool, which is a paid though, but it's a very beautiful tool, right? Okay, when compared to all these tools, FastStone is very good. But problem is it's paid one, okay? It has a lot of advanced features, but it is a paid one. One of the beautiful screenshot taking tool, guys, okay? You have to spend $20, okay? For lifetime access for this tool. So if you're okay with that, you can go ahead. Otherwise, you can ignore, okay? And many other tools will be there, guys. Many other screen capture tools will be there in the market. Okay, so we can keep discussing about these tools. Fine. So we have something like Screenfly is another tool. Let's search for Screenfly here. Screenfly is another screenshot. Okay, Screenfly is a different one. Don't worry about the Screenfly. I'll cover that later. Capture tool is TechSmith. Sorry, TechSmith. TechSmith. Capture. TechSmith capture. If I search techsmith.com capture tool, select this. So go back here once again. TechSmith is a simple free way to capture basic screenshots and screen recordings and share with others. Okay, it's a free tool only. Okay, select that. Download. You see, free basic screen capture. Okay, fine. You see, a lot of there is another thing known as Snagit from the same company. This tool is free, but they are also promoting another tool for premium features and all. Okay, GAFs and all those stuff if you want to create. But I want to go with the download capture for now. The same TechSmith capture tool I want to use. Once, okay, TechSmith capture has been retired and will no longer receive updates. You may still use capture, but it may become less stable over time. We welcome you to try online, our brand new free web-based video recording solution for advanced image and video caption. Try Snagit. Snagit is paid one, right? Snagit is paid one, and they are retiring it, guys. Okay, they are retiring it. But if you still want to use this online, you can use it for free. They are saying, but I don't know whether we can use it or not. Start recording now. Completely free and no watermark. Okay, so start recording now. We have to create an account and all those stuff. Okay, so I'll just try to create a Google account here. The simplest way of signing into the things, right? Let's see how it works or not. Just give it a try. So it has been retired, guys. It has been retired. TechSmith screen capture tool is kind of retired. Capture tool has been required. Is You can use it, but it may retire. Okay, there is no need of using it. If it is going to retire, right? What is the purpose of knowing it tomorrow if it is not available? What is the thing, right? Click on agree. How this will work? Let's see. Screen and camera, screen only screen. Let's say screen. I'll select screen. Okay, so then entire screen I'll say just share, hide, allow while visiting the site. Good to go. Start recording is there. I'll just click on start recording. Okay, I'll go to this. The screen is getting recorded now. Let's see what will happen. My register, give all these details. Let's see what kind of functionality it will provide. Continue. Go here and see that the telephone number, invalid telephone number, with the invalid telephone number, without instead of giving the warning message, the account got created and it's also saved. Okay, that's the problem. Fine. Now to stop the recording, I'll just go here and stop the recording. Looking good. So it's storing on. Okay, we can export it maybe. Once you see, you can play here. Working fine. Okay, it's recorded and my voice also got recorded, guys. Okay, everything is good. If you want to trim it or you can do some small changes, you can do it. Customize or something. Then, okay, then export it. Is it free also? Export to screencast, download project backup file. Okay, okay, they are doing some premium stuff, guys. Okay, but where it is getting downloaded, let's see. A zip file got downloaded. What is there in the zip file? I don't know. Right click. Zip. Okay, so it's in a different format, guys. Okay, that's okay. Backup is done. Yeah, that's a waste of time, I feel. Okay, it is a waste of time, I feel, guys. Okay, a lot of premium things are there and not able to export it properly. If I say export to screencast means maybe it will be available online, maybe. Okay, that's okay. Then next one is what is the next one? We can ignore this TechSmith capture, guys. This part we can ignore. A lot of tools will be there. This is a problem. They will get duplicate over a period of time. So we can delete this because it's no more available. So what is the use? Then any other important tools I have here? You see, another one is there. I have some screenshot and screen recorder Chrome add-on is there. These are very good so far, but there are many more. There is I have some screenshot and screen recorder Chrome extension is there, but I don't know whether it will work fine or not. Ignore all this stuff. Okay, let it go on. have some screenshot. Search for this have some screenshot. Okay, this is the same logo. Screen recorder and screen capture. Select this. Add to Chrome. Don't know whether it's still there or not. Yeah, it's there. Click on add to Chrome. Add extension. So meanwhile, if you guys know any other screenshot taking tools that you are using at your workplace, right, you can ping in the chat box, guys. Apart from whatever I'm covering in this session, if you know any screenshot capturing tools that you are using at your workplace, maybe free or paid, you can let me know. Okay. So that everyone will have an idea what type of tools we'll use at real time, right? So that is the reason. Okay. So here, sign in to experience our cloud services and all. I don't think I need sign in services. I'll just pin it so that I can access it directly. Just let me close all this stuff. Let me log out here. Okay, let's go to the register page. And here I'll enter the invalid telephone number. I'll click on this. You see, I'm getting these options. Capture and record options I'm getting. And if I want to capture the full page, I can capture the full page. Visible part, I can capture selected area. If I want to capture, I can do visible part. I'll just simply select that and I can do all the editing. Okay, this looks good. This looks good only. Yeah, the graphics are also very good. Okay, invalid telephone number is accepted by this field. Okay, it's kind of good only. Okay, so border is not coming automatically, but still good. The graphics are very good and simplicity is very good. Okay, then I want to save this. How to save this? Copy is there. Copy to clipboard is coming, guys. Okay, copy to clipboard and I need to save. Where it got captured actually, visible area. Now a different kind of stuff is coming. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Just give me a second. Let me close all this stuff. Okay, new tab it is opening maybe. Visible area, a new tab it is opening, guys. Okay, that's what I didn't see that. Okay, there is an option to download and all. Let's go back and yeah, do the drawings. There is a text. Invalid telephone number is accepted. Yeah. Then, so simply say done and click on download. Hello. Go to the location where you want to download. Select one and say have some screen capture. Have some. Just write it a high level and save this. Done. Okay, it got saved. Go to the location where it got saved and see that it got saved properly or not. Let's see that here. Okay. It's another tool, guys. It's another tool. It also has a screen recording. You can clearly see it also has another screen recording. ShareX is another tool. Okay. Dawala is getting like ShareX is another tool. That's great. I'll make a note here for ShareX. Okay, fine. So the next one, let's close this. I have some screen recorder and screenshot. And here you can also do the screen recording, guys. You can also do the screen recording, not only screenshot, but also you can do the screen recording. You see full page, you can take a screenshot of the full page. You see it's scrolling and taking the full page screenshot for free. It's very good, right? Then next one, it's a free tool with premium features. Okay. What is the benefit of this? Have some screen recorder and screenshot has a, It's a free tool with the premium features. That's what is a benefit. Okay. That's what is a with lot of premium features you are getting for free. That's what is important, right? You don't have to go and purchase this FastStone. Okay. If you want to stay somewhere backside of this FastStone, you can use this have some screen capture. Okay. Tool. Okay. So which is actually good. Okay. I want to record this desktop. If I want to turn on the microphone, I can turn. Okay. Always allow while using this and access granted. So you can now close this tab and start recording. Let's go here. Camera only and all this stuff and start recording is coming. I don't want to sign in. Start recording. Sign in compulsory. They are asking me to sign in. Okay. Sign in with Google. I'll try to sign in with my Google account, one of the Google account. Yeah. Now will it allow me or not? Let's see. Definitely some premium features will be there. Okay. They will be promoting that. But to what extent? This is a freemium only. It's freemium. I have some screenshot is a freemium tool. But to what extent they are giving the freemium features, we have to see. Okay. Now click on this and say start recording. Got it. The recording started or not? Yeah, some recording is going on. Started or stopped. It's not working. Just give me a second. Yeah, here some option is coming. Share enter screen. Share, you have to say. Record will start in like this. Recording started. You see? Can drag it anywhere if you want. Microphone is also activated, and here I'm typing this. This is an invalid phone number which is being accepted, and no warning message is coming. When I click on that, you see there is no warning message coming. Stop this recording. Okay, so here share your video. You can shareable link or download MP4 file. Just click on download. The recorded video is getting downloaded, guys. Okay, let me double click on this. So you see a lot of premium features we are getting here for free because of the freemium nature of the Awesome Screenshot tool. Okay. Yeah, voice is also coming. Everything is good. Okay. Fine. This is very good. Let's go here and paste it. Yeah, it's not coming. That's okay. So these are the thing, guys. These are the things. Okay. These are few things. And on the cloud also it is there. You can share it if you want. Okay. Fine. Then next one. So this one is also very good tool. Okay. So it's a freemium tool. Premium with lots of premium features for free. Okay. If your requirement is like this, you can use this, have some screenshot and screen recorder Chrome extension. Okay. Okay. ShareX is screenshot tool only, right? Screenshot tool. We can try it later. Screenshot tool only. Then a lot of other tools are there. There are two more tools here which are in pending list. I'll do one thing. I'll just write the pending list here. What are the pending items that I need to cover later? Because in a single session, I cannot cover everything, right? So we keep exploring about different tools, not only for taking screenshots, there's a lot of other tools are there in the market. We'll coolly explore all the tools and we'll try to increase our productivity. What is the use of these tools? If you know how to use these tools, right, you can increase your productivity and you can be smart at your workplace. You know, is how can you be different from other people? When you do something different from other people, then only you will be smart, right? You will be different. Then only you'll be more productive, and people won't understand, why this guy is able to do the work in a proper way, faster way than you. It all depends on the tools and all those stuff. Okay, so where is the next one? Should be knowing all the tools, and you should be knowing which tool is best for you. You should be able to do the R&D and decide which tool is better for you. Okay, there's another screenshot taking tool I'll be adding here. So since I may not be able to cover everything in a single session, Okay, a lot of tools are there here, guys. We'll be using them and we'll be understanding the concept behind them. Fake filler, virtual screen recorder, IObit screen recorder is there here. One more tool is there here. Let it be there. Then any other tools I'm missing here? I think the screenshot tools will be done if I complete these three items, okay? ShareX screenshot tool and IObit screen recorder, but we'll do some any other, okay? Others, many more and many more and many more, okay? So these are the different screenshot taking tools, guys, and there are a few other tools we can still explore and find out. But for this session, I would like to stop here. For today, I would like to stop here. Okay, I don't want to drag it more. So in the next session, I'll be covering the remaining pending screenshot taking tools, followed by other tools if required. Okay, fine. So that's all for this session, guys. Have any questions? Anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any questions here? So going ahead, the manual testing sessions will be like this only, guys. We'll be discussing all the additional topics. Okay, the required topics are completed in manual testing. Only the additional topics, like we'll be doing a lot of research on domain knowledge, tools. Okay, all the extracurricular items we'll keep doing on that. Okay, so keep attending the sessions on manual testing going forward. Okay, so that we'll be learning a lot about software testing, not just about software testing, but how to become more productive, how to be more smart, how to learn a lot of new things that other software testers are not aware of will be covered to you in the coming days also. Okay, fine then. So since you don't have any questions, I'm just stopping here for today. So guys, okay, I'll be informing you about the next session later. Based on that, we'll connect and then continue with that. Okay, so bye everyone, take care. Yeah, welcome guys, bye, take care. Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you're able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So let's begin. So what's the topic? As usual, the same topic, guys. We are going to continue with the useful tools for software testing. So in the previous session, I covered good amount of or good number of tools, like useful tools for taking the screenshots. Okay, just give me a second. Let me open those things. Meanwhile, let it open. Today also, I'm going to continue. Today also, I'm going to continue explaining about different tools or different useful tools that we can use while performing the software testing. Okay, which can increase our productivity and make us more better when compared to the other people who are not using the tools. Fine. So let the mind map launch. After that, I'll cover this. Yeah, the mind map has launched. The topic here is useful tools for software testing part 2. Why we are learning all these useful tools? Though you can perform software testing without using these tools, but with the help of the tools, okay, we can increase our productivity, work productivity. Tools will help you. Tools will save a lot of time and will also make you productive compared to not using the tools. So here we are going to the part 2 and let's go through the tools here. So in the last session, I covered about these tools known as Lightshot tool, how to use the Lightshot tool for taking the screenshot snipping tool, which comes by default with the Windows operating system, and then Go Full Page, then Chrome DevTools, okay, by default this shortcut and all. FastStone capture, which is a paid tool, and how advanced it is, and if it is required, we can go there. Then have some screenshot and screen recorder Chrome add-on. Then I explained about okay, these were the things, and this was also kind of free. Have some screenshot is kind of free and is having good features, like premium features are also provided for free here. This is also very good tool, and few other tools that I have not covered in the last session, or Greenshot, IObit screen recorder, as one of the students have suggested. ShareX. Okay, these are the three tools that are pending as part of screenshot taking tools, which I'm going to cover right now. Followed by the Selectors Hub tools, Selectors Hub company related tools. I'm going to cover one by one and how you can use them in okay, while performing software testing to increase your productivity and help you in all the other areas of software testing. Okay, so let's go with this screenshot tool. Okay, if I have to explain about this screenshot tool, let me open the browser, guys, and here let me search for Greenshot. This kind of results will come in the search results that get greenshot.org. Okay, this is a link. Click on this. Once you go here, there is a button like download now. Click on that. When you say download now, latest stable for Windows logo is there. For Mac, it is there. For Mac, it is not free, guys. Okay. For Mac, you have to pay the money, but on Windows, it's kind of free and open source. Click on this button. You see the Greenshot installer and go to the location where this Greenshot has been downloaded. Exe file of the Greenshot software has been downloaded. Double click on this and you will get this user access control where you have to select yes. Say OK. Now select this I accept the agreement and click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Just don't change anything. Just keep clicking on next until the installation is done. Straightforward installation, guys. Let's wait for the Greenshot to get installed. Now we got this. Thank you for using Greenshot. Close all this stuff. Just go there, click on, you see, when you have this selected and say finish, right? The Greenshot will launch and all. That's okay. Fine. So here, if you see, if you click on this tray icon, here, Greenshot is there, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to this web application. Okay, so I'm going to go to this particular web application. I want to take the screenshot for this particular error where if I enter some invalid telephone number also, the account is getting created. Okay, I want to take the screenshot of this. Okay, I want to take the screenshot of this. For that, I'll select this. Here, Greenshot is running in my tray. Right click on this. Okay, capture region, capture window, capture full screen. Different options are there, you see. For capturing the screenshot, there are different options. You can either use shortcuts like print screen and all those stuff, or you can select from here and this kind of, functionality will come. You can, whenever you are moving your mouse, you see, it's giving you from where you want to take the screenshot. Now, capture the screenshot for the area and drop it. The moment you drop it, okay, the moment you drop it, here there's an option coming, open in image editor. Okay, once you drag it and then just drop it, right, the selected area, for the selected area, the screenshot will be taken and you'll be getting this option, that is open in image editor option. Select that option. Now, whatever the screenshot that you have taken by selecting the area is opened in this Greenshot image editor. Okay. Now I want to mark the things. To mark the things, here on the left side, we have these options, guys. Okay. They are kind of small, but you can still select them. Just select the area. Okay. This is what is a telephone thing. And then draw this line. You can use these editing tools to mention all the stuff. Okay. Control Z, and I need this arrow one. The next one here is the text. I need to type the text, right? Okay, let me type the text. Here I'll be typing the text. Invalid phone number is accepted by this telephone field. Okay, while creating the account. While creating the account is getting created with this invalid phone number instead of giving a proper warning message. Like this, you can type this and so what is the problem? Yeah. Control set. Okay, something got added, guys. Okay, that's okay. Fine. Just let me go back. Yeah, this is fine. So maybe you can take a bigger box. Okay, you will get used to this tool. Okay, so This how we can take a screenshot, guys. And now I need to save it. Click on File, Save, and I'll go to the desktop where screenshots folder I created in the last session, right? In that, okay, using Greenshot tool, we have taken the screenshot. Okay. So this is the tool, guys, we can use for taking the screenshots and editing the screenshots. Everyone clear with the Greenshot tool? Okay. Everyone clear with this Greenshot tool? Okay. Now the next one here we have is IObit screen recorder. Okay. Meanwhile, before I demonstrate this IObit, let me uninstall the tools that I am currently explaining. So control panel. I'll go to control panel, uninstall a program, and I'll just select a Greenshot to uninstall. Okay. Skill. Select this. Yes. Say okay. Okay. Currently running. Okay. Let me close this. Okay. Right click here and close window. Just say close window. Right click here and say exit. Then say okay. It will be uninstalled. Otherwise, it will be running and you cannot uninstall it. Okay. So once launched, you have to go to the tray icon, right click here and do all the stuff. Okay. The next one, IObit screen recorder is one tool. Okay. So the next tool here is IObit screen recorder. Let me show you how to use this IObit screen recorder. For that, I'll just go here and search for IObit screen recorder, IObit screen recorder, and in the search results, I'll get this IObit recommended iOS or something, or this one is also fine. iTop screen recorder, both are fine. Okay, so just select this one, select one of the option, and here you will get this iTop screen recorder free download. Click on that, then you will be taken to this page recorder.itop. Okay, then click on free download. The download will start here. You see the download of this particular software is getting started here. The things keep changing, guys. The things may not be same always. So, you know, just search for IObit and all, you will get that options. So this is a exe file. Double click on this exe file for this IObit, iTop screen recorder for now. Just select yes, preparing for installation, ready to install iTop screen recorder. Click on install. Yes, I agree. Click on install. Fully featured screen recorder. Okay, this not only you can take the screenshots, but also you can record the screen also with this help of the software. Okay, with this particular software, not only you can take the screenshot, but also you can record the video. But the only problem with the video is, a watermark is being there. Okay, with this IObit, the watermark will come. Otherwise, the features are very good. Okay, if you are okay with the watermark problem, then you can go with this, guys. It has very good advanced options. If you want to remove the watermark, then you have to go for the premium one. Okay, you have to pay the license amount and use this software. Otherwise, you can use it for free, but they will be adding some watermark to the things that the video recordings, etc., that you have created with help of this software. Let's wait for this installation to be completed. Almost there. Let's wait. There is no specific tool, Chetan, because a lot of tools are there in the market. Different people use different tools. We cannot clearly say that, which tool is better and all those stuff. Okay. It all depends on project to project, company to company, and people to people. Okay. We cannot exactly say which tool is kind of thing. Okay. Clear, Chetan? So I have demonstrated a lot of tools so far, right? Any of these tools can be used. It's not like that only these tools will be used more and all. It depends on the project. Yes, anything. It can depend because there are different tools coming, and tomorrow, these are the list of the tools we have today. Tomorrow, when you go, you may come across a lot of other tools. The tools keep changing, right? We'll not be using the same tools always, right? Okay, we'll try to use the better tools, whatever we feel are good. Okay, not everyone drives the same car, right? Not everyone will drive the same car. If you go to a gated community and where there are a lot of flats and just check what type of cars they are using, not everyone is using the same cars. Everyone will use different cars like that in real time. So according to their feel, look and feel, or whatever the feel they have towards, or whatever the kind of ideology they have about the tools, people keep using the tools. Okay. But if you ask me personally which tools I prefer, means I generally prefer this FastStone Capture, which is a paid tool. I generally prefer this one. In my case, this is the best one I can say. Out of all these tools, I can say FastStone is something which is kind of very bad. I got used to it, and I don't like other tools over this tool, okay, personally. And the other free tool, okay, if in case this is a paid tool, if you're not able to afford this tool and you're not purchase this tool, then the other tool that I generally recommend is a snipping tool, which comes by default with Windows operating system. Okay. So these are the two tools I generally, okay. So fast on capture and snipping tool are the major ones I prefer. And apart from that, depending on the situations, I may use other tools also for taking the screenshots, but these are the major ones. Clear, Chetan? Okay. Anyhow, the installation is completed, guys. I'll just select run now. It will be automatically pinned to your taskbar also. Okay. It will be pinned to my, it already got pinned to my taskbar. Okay, so when I click on this, okay, if I close this, it's not a free tool. Completely, it's not a free tool. You have to activate the license, and can it is a freemium kind of stuff. Okay, it's not free, it is a freemium. So just select this option, and you'll be able to launch this IObit iTop screen recorder here, and you can use a free one without upgrading. Also, you can go with the pro version also if you want. The watermark should be removed and all those stuff. Fine. How to take the screenshots? Let me first show you the screenshots here. After that, I'll go with the recording features here. Okay. So there's a screenshot option on the left side. Just select that. This interface may keep changing, guys. At this point of time, the software is something like this. Tomorrow, the UI interface of this particular tool may keep changing because the company will try to release versions of the software, and they'll try to make it even more better than yesterday kind of stuff. When you go with the screenshot and customize customize means you can drag the area that you want to take the screenshot of, full screen, active window, scrolling window. You can also take the screenshot of the scrolling window, and many other options are there here. Let's go here to our application, guys. Let's go here to the application, and let me take the screenshot of the same. Okay, let me take the screenshot of the same customize area. I'll just freely select any area to. Okay, so just close this, and here select this area and just click on the this camera icon. Then the screen will be there. Now you see an option is coming to select the area that you want to take the screenshot of. I'll just left click of my mouse and drag it, and then release it whenever I am done with the area. Okay, this is the area I want to take the screenshot of, and just release. Once you release, right, this kind of options will come where you can take this editing options and do all the markings, whatever the markings you want, you can do the markings. Okay, then I want to write some text here. I want to write some text, guys. Okay, what is the text I want to write? Invalid phone number. So let me just make it big. Sorry, invalid phone number is not validated by this field. Instead, account is getting created with this invalid phone number entered into this telephone field. Okay, like this, you can increase the font or something. Here font is there. You can increase the font, guys. If you really want to increase the font, you can increase the font. You can move it anywhere. Okay, now you can mark it like this. You can mark it like this and all the stuff. Okay, many options are there, guys. Many options are there. These are the general options that we generally use. Now you can either copy this to your clipboard, or you can save this. When you click on save, it is asking the location where you want to save. So you can choose the location, guys, where you want to save the screenshot. This is the screen location I want to take the screenshot, and I'll say PNG. Okay, a lot of files will come. I'll just select this using IObit. Okay, using IObit, I'll save this. This is how I can take the screenshot, guys. Okay, let's go to the location where I have saved the screenshot and see how the screenshot has been taken. I'll just go to the folder. I'll open the folder, and I've taken the screenshot using IObit, right? Is it taken properly? Let's see. Is the screenshot has been, yes, the screenshot has been taken properly, guys. No watermark on the screenshot yet. There's no watermark on the screenshot, but it's very good. Okay, so the next thing that I can do here is scrolling. Okay, I can take the screenshot of the not only the active area of the screen but also the entire page by scrolling the page. Okay, select this and go to the page which is kind of lengthy. Go to any particular page which is kind of lengthy. Let's say this page, I want to take the screenshot by scrolling this particular page. Not only the visible active area of the screen, but entire page. By scrolling, I want to take the screenshot. Select the scrolling window and just select this and okay. Just click on that. Please slide the mouse scroll to capture scrolling. You have to scroll it manually, guys. I think so. Okay, okay. Now let me do it again. Let me do it again, guys. Okay. I'll delete this. I'll delete this and I just need to use this tool properly. Okay. Then message will just click on this area and please slide the mouse. It is saying I'm just sliding the mouse, but failed to capture scrolling. It is saying how to overcome this. Let me do one thing. Let me close. Okay. Let me do again. Let me close this part and fine. Let me do one thing. Let me again do it. Click it and okay. Okay. Got it. How to use the tool, I got the idea, guys. Okay, this I need to select the area and just scrape I don't know, drag it and scroll now. Just keep scrolling, guys, like this. After selecting the area, keep scrolling till the end of the page and okay, and save. Now click on desktop, screenshots, PNG, using IObit, full page, like this. I'll save this and save this. Once I save that, let's go to the location. Where is the full page? Yeah, this is the one. Is a screenshot taken for the entire full page? Yes. You see, I was able to take the screenshot for the entire full page with the help of this IObit, and no watermark is added so far. I can also do the recording part, guys. I can also not only the screenshot, guys. We can also put the recording as a proof while we are reporting some defects and all. So here I want to record it, and there are several options, guys. I can record the full screen or selected region or window or something. Okay, and here only audio. You can record your voice also. Okay, many options are there here, but the general purpose you can use like this. For example, I want to record something, so I'll just do one thing. I'll just select full screen and then record. Okay, then I'll go here. The recording has started, guys. Go to the register, and here I'll give the invalid phone number like this. Sorry, not this one. Invalid telephone number like this area, and fill all the other details. But into the telephone field, I gave invalid telephone number, and I'm filling. Then password I'm giving. Okay. Click on continue button. Account should not be created, but if the account is getting created with this telephone number, we can find it out. Okay. Click on continue. Account got created, guys. And now I'll go to the my account page and edit your account details and see that with invalid telephone number, the account has been created. Okay. The account, you see, we are in logged in state. Logout option is coming. So with invalid phone number, we are able to create the account. That's the thing. Okay. Once done, you can stop this. Click on this dot and you can stop the recording. Okay, the recording has been created, guys. Just play my video means you can play, and you can also clip and edit my video. Okay, you can also edit your video if you want, and if you just want to play it, you can play it. Just play my video. You can say means that will play the recorded video. Let's see how I have recorded the things. There's another tool that we can use for taking the screenshots and recording the screen and all, IObit. The recording has started. You see, my voice also got recorded because of the options I have selected. But the problem here is on the top, if you can clearly see, guys, there is a watermark. There's a watermark here. Okay, iTop screen recorder watermark is coming. So if you're okay with this watermark, you can record as many number of videos as you want. Okay, without paying any. Fine. Then open file location. If you click on open, this is a place where the recording is there. You can copy and paste in your attach into your screenshot document. Close this. So we are done with the IObit screen recorder also. One item is there for screenshot taking, guys. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me unpin this and go to the control panel and uninstall this IObit screen recording tool. Okay. So once done, if required, I'll be uninstalling again. But whenever, because I keep on installing a lot of software, I don't want to. You maintain them. Okay. When required, I'll go and install. But always I cannot keep them, right? So let me uninstall also. It's getting uninstalled. Let's wait. Fine. Then here you see an extra software got installed when you installed iTop screen IObit installer, right? This also has been okay. This has removed. You see, uninstall some softwares which are coming when you are installing the softwares. Okay, all the softwares also you have to uninstall. Yes, I want to. Just keep checking your machine for unnecessary software and try to uninstall them whenever required, guys. Okay. Fine. The next software that I am going to cover for taking the screenshot is ShareX, which is suggested by one of you guys in the last session. Okay, let me share this. This is the final one, guys. This is the final one. There may be many more softwares that will be there in the market which you can use for taking the screenshots when you are performing the software testing and when you are reporting the defects and using the screenshots or recordings as a proof. There may be a lot of other softwares that may be available. So the last one that I'm going to cover as part of screenshot taking tools is ShareX. Okay, for now. So ShareX and yeah, I can search for ShareX here. Meanwhile, let's go here and search for ShareX, the best free and open source screenshot taking tool. And when you go to this particular page, getsharex.com, you will get this download button. Click on that. Here, setup, portable, dev, lot of options are there. I'll go with the setup. When I click on that, you see download will start. Okay, the download got okay. This got uninstalled. The download for the ShareX software has started. The exe file is getting downloaded, guys. Let's wait. So using this ShareX, we can actually take the screenshots, edit the images, and many other stuff are possible. Let me show you them. I don't want to go too deep into this software, but how to take the screenshots I'm going to show. Okay, a lot of features are there in this software, which is a very detailed one, but I'll be only using it only for taking the screenshot purpose. Okay, I'll be showing or demonstrating the software only for screenshot taking purpose. Double click on this ShareX. The confirmation dialog will come. You just click on yes. Then here, I accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Install. Don't change any option. Just keep clicking on next. That's it. The ShareX software is getting downloaded and installed in my machine. Okay, completed. Let me click on finish. Once I click on this finish, I'll get this kind of interface, guys. Okay. Okay, I'll get this kind of interface. You can select from interface or minimize this or go here and here also some tray icon will be there. Right click here. Capture option will come and you can take the screenshot. I prefer that way. I'll go to the application where I want to take the screenshot, guys. I'll go to this application and the register page. I'll go to the register page and in the register page, I'll enter an invalid telephone number. I would like to take the screenshot of this. I'll just click on this in the tray icon. ShareX software is running. Right click here, capture option. You see, a lot of options are the screen recording, GF and all. I don't want to go too deep. Okay. Um, Scrolling capture means full page screenshot also you can take. For now, I'll say region. I'll select the region. I want to select the area that I want to take the screenshot of. Select this and then select the area that I want to take the screenshot of. Okay. And drop it. Once I do that, I'll just click on this. Okay. So I'll just select this. Here is a screenshot in the software. The screenshot has been taken, guys. Right click here and say stop upload first. Okay. Stop upload. Then again right click, you will get this edit image options. Okay. Click on edit image option. You will be getting these options here. And on the top, you are getting the options to do the markings and all. Okay. Then you can use these options. Okay. Once this is done, then go with the text. Select this and okay. Type the text here. Invalid. Okay. User is able to create an account by entering invalid phone number into this telephone field. Okay. We are not getting any validation message instead. Okay. Like that, just write something and this kind of stuff is coming, this box is coming here. You can clearly see, right, how the box is coming. Let's close this. Just adjust it so that okay, like this. Okay. You can do like this. Okay. Then place it properly and with the help of the tools, and that's it. We are done. Now save this. How to save? Click on same image as and go to the place where you want to save the screenshots, and here go here and select one thing, and with ShareX save this. Okay, the screenshot has been saved. Fine. So similarly, you can do the scrolling capture also. You can also do the scrolling capture. Okay. This code, generally, if you take the screenshot, this code options will not come while scrolling, right? But this time, I'll just select here and, minimize this otherwise. And right click here and capture here and, screen capture, scrolling capture. Okay. Then I'll be taking the scrolling part. I'll just select this area. You see, it's scrolling. It has scrolled the page from whatever the area I selected. It's scrolled till the end of the page and it has taken the screenshot. Now you can actually save. Okay. Save this options. What options are coming? Okay. Upload or save it is saying. Just close this and go to this and here. Okay. Multiple times I saved, right? No need to upload. You can right click here, stop upload, right click, stop upload, right click, stop upload. No need to upload here. Just select one of the screenshot, right click here and again edit, and you can edit the screenshot as you want. You can edit the screenshot. Okay. This is a full page screenshot, right? That you have taken. This is a full page screenshot. Now you can say save as and go here and say ShareX full page screenshot. Okay, save this. Done. We are done. Close this. So like that, guys, we can take the full page screenshots also with the help of this. So with this, we are done with all the screenshot taking tools. Okay. I have covered all the useful tools for software testers. Okay. According to your requirement needs and, whatever the tools you like, you can use them. Whatever the tools I have demonstrated out of that, pick some tools and use that for your purpose, guys. Okay. So these are the few screenshot taking tools that I have covered. There may be many, guys, but I did my level best in, demonstrating the different tools that you can use for taking the screenshots. So these screenshots you can use for while reporting the defects, you can use this screenshot as a proof for the defects. Okay. And some of the tools were even helping you in recording the video also, video recording of the screen also, you can do that. The next thing here is SelectorsHub. Okay. So SelectorsHub related tools are also there. Okay. For now, in the SelectorsHub, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tools are there. Tomorrow, more tools may come under SelectorsHub, but at this point of time, there are 6 tools which are very useful for the software testers. What are the different tools that SelectorsHub company is providing? I'm going to show you one by one. Okay. Fine. So in order for you to use the SelectorsHub tools, right? Just give me a second. Okay. There are no tools installed right now. Okay. So in order for you to use the SelectorsHub tools, You have to search Selectors Hub, Selectors Hub in the search Google search, or you can search for this. You can browse this website known as selectorshub.com and press enter. You'll be taken to the homepage of the Selectors Hub. For now, the UI of this Selectors Hub page is like this, and this UI may keep changing. That's okay. Should be able to find the things yourself. So these are some tools, guys. Can you see the list of tools available at the Selectors Hub? I said only six, right? But there are eight here. But the last two ones are pro versions. You have to pay the amount. Okay. In order to use these pro versions, you need to pay the license amount. So SelectorsHub normal free one is there and pro one is there. Test Case Studio free is there, pro is there. Okay. So I feel that for now free versions are enough, guys. Only the premium users who really need these tools, they'll pay for the paid license. But ultimately, I generally use the free versions only. Free variations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. What are these tools? How you can use these tools in your day-to-day software testing activities to increase your productivity, that I'm going to cover right now. Okay. So first one is SelectorsHub, guys. Okay, first one is the SelectorsHub. Okay, just click on this install button. If you are in the Chrome browser, you click on the install button. Then you'll be given this add to Chrome option. If you're in a different browser, add to Firefox or something will come. Just click on add to Chrome. When you click on add to Chrome, SelectorsHub add to Chrome option will come. Click on the add to Chrome. Just select add extension, the confirmation, and in a while the SelectorsHub, this particular tool will get installed. SelectorsHub XPath and CSS selector tool will get installed. Just close all this stuff and here go to the extensions option, and here you say SelectorsHub Chrome extension has been added to your browser. Just select pin option. It got pinned. Now, once you have installed, just restart the browser once. Okay, it's a good practice to restart your browser after installing the any particular extensions. Okay, now SelectorsHub extension is available here. Now go to any application, guys. Go to any application like omea.blogspot.com. Okay, if you are automating this particular application, okay, if you're automating this particular application, can that application directly, can the Selenium automation tool or any other automation tool can find all these UI elements on the web page directly? Can they see? Can they see and locate by themselves? For example, coming to Selenium, Selenium can locate all these UI elements on the web page by itself for automation purpose. What do you say, guys? Anyone have any idea about the Selenium automation tool? Can Selenium automation tool directly locate this particular, for example, Selenium automation tool want to type my name into the text area field like this. Okay, I want to write the code in the Selenium automation tool, using which the Selenium automation tool need to type my name into the text area field. Will the Selenium automation tool will be able to directly locate this particular element? It won't be possible for Selenium automation tool to locate this element. So Selenium automation tool will take the help of something known as locators. Okay, what will happen, guys? So there is a concept known as locators, guys. Okay, there is a concept known as locators. So here, there is a Selenium automation. Selenium automation. Selenium automation tool is there or code is there, whatever you say. On the other side, we have this browser. In the browser, a web page is open. On the web page, different UI elements are present. For example, text area field is present on one of the page opened by this Chrome browser, let's assume. Okay. Now, Selenium automation tool want to enter. Okay. When you are writing some automation code using the Selenium automation tool, using that automation code, Selenium automation tool want to enter or type my name into the text area field. Is it possible that Selenium automation tool can directly enter and find this particular text area field on this web page and directly enter my name into the text area field? Will that be possible? The answer is no. It's not possible for Selenium automation tool to locate this field on the web page, because Selenium automation tool is by default blind. It cannot see any elements on the web pages. But still, if you want the Selenium automation tool to find this particular web elements on the web page, we have to take the help of something known as locators. Okay, we have to take the help of something known as what, guys? Locators. With the help of locators, Selenium automation tool will find the required elements on the web pages with the help of this locators only. Okay, so what type of locators exists that Selenium automation tool can use for locating this particular text area field on the web page? There are different type of locators like ID locator, name locator, class name locator, link text locator, CSS selectors locators, and XPath expressions locator. These are the different type of locators we have. In this different type of locators, guys, in this different type of locators, okay? So these things are easy, guys. Anyone can create these things on the fly, okay? I don't want to go deep into the locators topic, but coming to the CS selectors and XPath expression, okay? If you don't know how to, okay, if you don't know how to create the CS selectors and XPath expressions by yourself, you can use this kind of tools like SelectorsHub, okay? SelectorsHub Selectors Hub will help you in generating this. Selectors Hub will help you in generating this CS selectors and XPath expression locators so that you don't have to work hard and you can utilize these locators generated by Selectors Hub and give it as an input to the Selenium automation tool to find these elements on the web pages. Okay. So how the Selectors Hub will auto-generate the CS selectors and XPath expressions, I'm going to show you right now. Okay. So what you have to do here is right click on this text area field and select Selectors Hub, and here copy relative XPath, copy relative CS selector is coming. Copy this and paste it here. This is a CSS selector that Selectors Hub has auto-generated for you. Okay. Using hash #TA1, by inputting this hash #TA1 CS selector to the Selenium automation tool, Selenium automation tool can find this text area field. Okay. Not only that, guys, if I right click here and Selectors Hub and select copy relative XPath, this XPath expression that is auto-generated by this XPath expression that is auto-generated by Selectors Hub tool. Okay. Now, not only this way, right click here and select inspect option. After installing the Selectors Hub extension here, right click here on the text area field that you want to create the locators for. And this is HTML code, that's okay. Here styles are there, computed layout, event listeners, and there are many other options are there. In the last, Selectors Hub is coming. Now, by using this, now here, just select this option, guys, okay? Click to expand selectors look, okay? Now you can see all these options. You see, now you can copy this relative CS selector from here. You can copy this relative XPath. It also has an ID. It will also generating the ID. You can also use ID, copy as ID. Many other varieties are there, okay? So this is the purpose of the Selectors Hub, guys, in auto-generating the different type of locators possible for this particular element. That locators, if you pass to the Selenium automation tool, Selenium automation tool with the help of this locators can identify this element on the web page. Okay. Selenium with the help of this locators. Okay. So what is the use of, tell me guys, what is the use of the Selectors Hub then? What is the use of the Selectors Hub? How this Selectors Hub will be useful for the software testers? How the Selectors Hub tool will be useful for the software testers? Tell me, what is the use? Using Selectors Hub, we can do what? Anyone type in the chat box what we can do? What we can do with the help of Selectors Hub? We can auto-generate the different locators. Okay, which will help, these locators will help the automation tools like Selenium in finding the elements on the web pages. By default, the automation tools cannot find the required elements on the web pages while automation. This kind of locators, which are auto-generated by this Selectors Hub, when inputted to Selenium automation tool, Selenium automation tool will take the help of this Selectors Hub and find the elements on the web pages. Okay, to auto-generate the different locators, we can use Selectors Hub kind of tool. Fine. Okay. During test automation, when you are working as during test automation, you will use this kind of tools, guys. Okay. During test automation, we can use this kind of tools. Okay, what is advantage we'll get? What will happen if the Selectors Hub is able to auto-generate this kind of locators for this different elements on the web page? What is advantage? What is the kind of advantage you are getting by using the Selectors Hub, generating this, auto-generating the different locators? What is the kind of advantage you are going to get? How it is going to help you? Selectors Hub is auto-generating these different locators. Yes, you can save the time, right? We can save time. We can save time, right? You see, if without Selectors Hub, okay, without Selectors Hub, if I want to create relative XPath expression or relative CS selector or any locator for the text area field, I have to manually right click inspect and look into the HTML code. Okay, if I am not using the Selectors Hub, I'll be looking into this code, and by looking at this code, Control F, and here, what's the tag name? Text area. Tag name is text area, and ID is equal to TA1. I'll write, if I am good with XPath expressions and CS selectors, I can, for example, XPath expression, / text area, square bracket, @ID is equal to, @ID is equal to, paste that, okay? And enter. You see? So, is it working? Still not working. Sorry, ID is equal to TA1, right? This is TA1, okay? Then press enter. You see? Now it's locating the one element. This is HTML code. When I hover the mouse on this HTML code, text area field is getting located. If you are not good with, there are two situations where you will go and use the Selectors Hub kind of tools. If you are not aware of the how to create the XPath expressions by yourself, if you are not aware of, then you can use the Selectors Hub to auto generate. Other thing is that even though you know how to write this relative XPath expressions by yourself, but you see, Right clicking here, selecting inspect option, look, just verifying, just reviewing the HTML code of that particular element, and by looking at the HTML code, ideating the process of creating the XPath expression will generally take time. What if I don't want to ideate all the stuff? Right click here and copy relative XPath and paste it here. You see, within matter of seconds, I'm able to generate. It's saving my time. Okay, so you can use it for saving your time. You can use it for saving your time. Within matter of seconds, you can auto-generate the relative XPath expressions or CS selectors or other type of locators for locating these elements. Now tell me guys, do we have to blindly depend on the selector sub kind of tools for auto-generating the locators now? Though the selector sub is going to save a lot of time for you, do you have to blindly depend on the selector sub? No, we should not blindly depend on the selector sub. We have to use selector sub when you already are aware of how to create the XPath expressions and CS selectors by yourself from scratch. Should do the learning, guys. You should not skip the learning. Let's say you don't know how to create XPath expressions or CS selectors without the help of the selector sub. You are not able to create this by yourself. And then you are depending on this tool. That is a bad sign. You should not be doing like that. Okay. When you have to go for selector sub, first you learn how to write CS selectors and XPath expressions for a particular element on the web page. After learning them, once you're good with that, then use selector sub to save the time. This is the best press. You should not depend on the tools. The reason why, what is the reason why you should not depend on the selector sub kind of tool straightforward? To save the time you can use, but you should not depend. Why I'm saying why you should not depend on this kind of selector sub? We should not depend on these tools. We should not depend on this tool, on these tools, which will auto-generate the locators for us. Why? Anyone know the answer? Why we should not depend on these tools? One of the reason here is, okay, your company may not allow this tool. Okay, due to the security policies in your company, the company is not actually accepting your request. Okay, where you cannot, you can go and install some extensions. Some extensions are blocked. Selector sub also may be in your block list. So if you depend on the tool and in your company selector sub is not allowed, what you will do? Since you are dependent on the tool, you have to learn it, right? There is only ways to learn it. Okay, manually we have to create by learning the concept of how to write the XPath expressions and CS selectors by yourself. The second thing here is about company may not allow this tool. The second thing that you need to understand here is whatever the auto-generated, okay, auto-generated XPath expressions or CSS selectors available, okay, whatever the auto-generated XPath expression CSS selector by the tool, okay, by the tool may not be always correct. Okay, if you don't have the knowledge of XPath expressions, CS selectors, and if you are blindly depending on these tools to generate the auto-generate the XPath expression CS selectors, what if this particular tool is generating a wrong XPath expression or wrong CS selector, or you have to modify or tweak the XPath expression or CS selector auto-generated by selectors or any other tools? If you don't have the knowledge, if you are simply depending, then wrong locators you will be using in your scripts. These are the reasons, guys, why we should not depend on this kind of tools. Okay, why we should not depend on these tools? These are the reasons for that, guys. Okay, these are the two reasons. So hope, guys, you understand. Everyone understood what is selectors hub and selectors hub XPath and selectors plugin is clear for everyone. We'll be using this for auto generating the XPath expressions and selectors. Okay, CSS selectors, etc., and other locators also. So we can explore this tool to the next level, guys. It's a very advanced tool. Lot of options are there here. Okay, lot of options are there. We can explore the selector sub tool to the next level. Okay, if you want, you can explore the selector sub tool to the next level also. Lot of features are there. Okay, so but at this point of time, this much is more than enough, guys. Okay, this much is more than enough for this tool. A lot of features and options are there that will save a lot of time for you when you use this tool effectively. When you use the selector sub tool effectively, you can save a lot of time from this tool. Okay, fine then. So for today we are good, guys. Okay, I've taken 1 hour of session, I think so. More than 1 hour. 1 hour I have taken today. In the next session, we'll continue with the next tools of Selectors Hub. Okay, there are other tools like Text Case Studio, Check My Links, Testing Daily, Page Load Timer, Auto Test Data. I'm going to cover in the next session. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. we have this session, guys. Okay, I'll continue this session tomorrow at 11 a.m. Okay, I'll be posting the details in the WhatsApp group. You can attend the session where I'm going to cover the upcoming tools for you. Okay. So maybe I may also cover selector sub at a advanced level also. Okay. Today I covered high level selector sub. tomorrow, when we connect in the next session, I may cover SelectorsHub at the next level. Okay, I'll be covering the SelectorsHub at the next level along with the other tools I'll be covering. So let's meet tomorrow at 11 a.m. I'll be posting the timing in the chat in the WhatsApp group. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Yeah. Bye, everyone. Take care. Thank you. Welcome.